Hello everyone, welcome to Groweon CRM, your all-in-one business management platform designed to automate, simplify, and scale every part of your operations. Let's start with smart sales automation. Here, you have a comprehensive dashboard that manages all your new leads, tracks revenue matured in a particular month, offers month-on-month comparisons, and provides insights into your financial reviews for the past 6 months. It also details your sales orders generated in the last 6 months. The platform covers everything, including lead by source reports, your sales pipeline, and user activity reports. We offer the capability to capture leads from various sources such as your website, marketplaces, Facebook ads, and even WhatsApp, assigning them automatically with our intelligent lead assignment rules. These rules can be configured for round robin or based on country, state, city, and product within your team automatically. Once a lead is assigned, your team can manage follow-ups, transition leads through different stages, and connect with customers via phone, WhatsApp, email, or even schedule meetings. There's also an excellent feature to create and send quotations complete with pricing, taxes, and product details in just minutes. Creating a quotation is straightforward. Simply add the product and the quotation is ready to go. Once the quotation is sent and the deal is finalized, the successful deal displays in the sales order register. With just one click, you can convert that deal into an order. You can track order status, payments, delivery stages, and customer communication all in one place. You can even add shipment details and track shipments. We provide a comprehensive review of all the order stages. You can manage all the order stages. Plus, there's a dashboard for the order management tool displaying all your orders, details, and everything with stage-wise order, turnaround time, order priority, and pending order list. If you encounter a service request or complaint, raise a ticket and assign it to the team. You can track progress in real time with our service ticket management option. Here, you can add a ticket based on the customer's mobile number and manage all your ticket stages. These stages are customizable. Every detail of a particular ticket is captured. If the ticket is payable, you can create a cost estimation sheet and update all your payment terms. You can also manage your AMC contracts effortlessly. Set start and end dates, receive renewal alerts, schedule service visits, and maintain a service history for the client. You can add the AMC from here, detailing the next contract date with renewal amount and other specifics. You can set all your scheduled services as mentioned in the contract. You'll receive reminders when the service date is due, and additional notes can be added. The AMC is generated here, and you have the option to view the history of the AMC. You can also create a contract for the customer. You can download the PDF contract copy and send via email. Your products are always in check and monitored in real time with our inventory management module. The comprehensive dashboard displays all your items, warehouses, low stock items, and more. Stock transactions and warehouse stock details are just a click away. In the inventory management system, you can manage inventory by product or warehouse. Options include stocking in, purchase returns, stockouts, sales orders, warehouse transfers, and more. Plus, you can engage your customers instantly with our WhatsApp API solutions. Send automated welcome messages, share quotations, confirm orders, and respond to service requests right from the CRM itself. This is for WhatsApp Business API. For detailed videos on each module and the multiple features present in the CRM, we invite you to subscribe to our YouTube channel. All the videos are available there. Thanks a lot.